We are on the cusp of a new era, shaped by the invisible tendrils of technology. The fifth generation of wireless technology, 5G, promises to revolutionize our world, but at what cost to our environment? This is a question we must ask ourselves as we embrace this powerful new technology. The rollout of 5G is happening at an unprecedented pace. Countries around the world are racing to implement this technology. Its promise is undeniable: faster speeds, greater capacity, and near-instantaneous connectivity. This will reshape industries, redefine possibilities, and fundamentally alter how we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Yet, amidst this technological advancement, we must pause and consider the environmental ramifications. Progress often casts a shadow, and it is our responsibility to understand and mitigate the potential negative impacts of 5G on our planet. One of the most pressing concerns is the increased energy consumption associated with 5G. The network's complexity and demand for high-speed data transmission require a significant amount of power. This increased energy demand could lead to higher carbon emissions, particularly if the energy grid relies on fossil fuels. The proliferation of 5G devices also contributes to the growing problem of electronic waste. The rapid obsolescence of technology results in a constant stream of discarded devices, often containing hazardous materials that leach into our environment. Another concern is the potential health effects of increased exposure to radio frequency electromagnetic fields, or RF-EMF. While research on the long-term effects of RF-EMF exposure is ongoing, some studies suggest a possible link to health issues. The higher frequencies used by 5G and the subsequent increase in the number of transmitters required for its deployment have amplified these concerns. To fully grasp the environmental implications of 5G, we must first understand the technology itself. 5G operates on a higher frequency spectrum than previous generations of wireless technology. This allows for significantly faster data transfer speeds and lower latency, but it also means that 5G signals don't travel as far. Consequently, a denser network of smaller cell towers, often referred to as small cells, is required to ensure coverage. These small cells, unlike traditional large cell towers, can be discretely integrated into streetlights, buildings, and other urban infrastructure. While this approach minimizes visual impact, the sheer number of small cells required for widespread 5G coverage raises concerns about potential environmental and aesthetic disruptions. Despite these challenges, 5G also presents opportunities for environmental management and sustainability. Section 4: Balancing Act: Benefits and Risks for Our Planet. The transformative potential of 5G extends to the realm of environmental conservation. 5G can revolutionize environmental monitoring and management. Sensors deployed in remote areas, powered by 5G's low-latency connectivity, can provide real-time data on deforestation, air quality, and wildlife movement patterns. This data empowers conservationists and policymakers to make informed decisions and implement timely interventions. Furthermore, 5G's role in enabling smart cities cannot be overlooked. By facilitating the development of interconnected urban ecosystems, 5G can contribute to more efficient energy grids, reduce traffic congestion, and optimize waste management systems. These advancements have the potential to significantly reduce our urban environmental footprint. However, it is crucial to acknowledge that these environmental benefits are contingent upon responsible implementation and sustainable practices throughout the 5G life cycle. Section 5: A New Age of Connectivity, a Question of Impact. The rollout of 5G technology presents a complex dilemma. On one hand, it holds immense promise for enhancing our lives and connecting us in unprecedented ways. On the other hand, it carries potential risks for our environment, from increased energy consumption to the proliferation of electronic waste and concerns about RF-EMF exposure. As we stand at this crossroads of technological advancement, it is imperative that we proceed with caution and prioritize sustainability. The decisions we make today will determine the legacy of 5G and its impact on the delicate balance of our planet. Let us strive to harness the power of 5G for the betterment of both humanity and the environment, ensuring a future where technological progress and ecological responsibility go hand in hand.